Welcome, here I've got VIVO Y72 5G and I'm gonna show you how to take live photo in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. To take live photo we have to change it, so let's do it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the right to more. Here we get access to more modes of this camera, one of them is live photo mode, so let's pick it. And here we are. Now when we take a picture we should get two in one, the photo and the short clip, so let's try to do it by taking a photo. To see it we have to move to left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery. And this is how the standard picture looks like. When we tap a little bit longer on it we can see the short clip. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.